Welcome back to PepTalk SelfTalk, the channel where we delve into the depths of our minds and hearts to unlock the incredible power within us. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating topic that can transform your life: the power of visualization and the inner voice. Have you ever wondered how some people seem to effortlessly achieve their dreams and goals? The secret lies in their ability to visualize success. Visualization is a superpower we all possess, the ability to create a mental picture of what we desire in our lives. When we visualize our dreams, we're planting the seeds of success in our subconscious mind. But it's not just about seeing our dreams, it's about feeling them. Close your eyes for a moment and imagine the taste of success, the emotions that come with accomplishing your goals, and the joy that fills your heart. That feeling of triumph is the fuel that propels you forward, and your subconscious mind works tirelessly to bring that vision into reality. Many successful people attribute their achievements to the power of visualization. Athletes see themselves crossing the finish line first. Artists envision their masterpieces even before touching the canvas. The inner voice is the driving force behind this process. Your inner voice is a powerful tool that can either uplift you or bring you down. It can be your biggest cheerleader or your worst critic. To harness its power positively, we must practice self-compassion and replace negative self-talk with words of encouragement and belief. Meditation is an excellent way to quiet the noise around us and listen to that inner voice. It's in those moments of stillness that we can truly connect with our true desires and intuition. Trusting that inner voice leads us on the right path, aligning us with our purpose. Remember, visualization and inner voice work hand in hand. As you visualize your dreams, let your inner voice remind you of your worth, capability, and the infinite possibilities that lie ahead. Banish doubt and embrace faith. Positive affirmations are like seeds of positivity we plant in our subconscious. Repeat them daily and witness how they blossom into self-belief, empowerment, and unwavering focus. Another powerful tool is creating a vision board. This visual representation of your goals acts as a constant reminder of what you want to achieve. Surround yourself with images and words that resonate with your aspirations, and watch the universe conspire to manifest your dreams. Visualization can also help us conquer our fears. By visualizing ourselves overcoming challenges, we rewire our minds to respond with courage and determination. So, my dear friends, let's tap into the immense power of visualization and the inner voice. Unlock your true potential, dream big, and believe in yourself, for there's no limit to what you can achieve. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with friends who need a pep talk. Remember to subscribe to PepTalk SelfTalk for more empowering content. Thank you for watching, and always remember, you have the power to shape your destiny.